to web design. What we're going to do today is we're going to do the 5.03 website citation assignment. We're going to create a simple web page using images we find on the internet and then cite the sources that we use. Okay, next page. So in this assignment, you're going to create a web page that contains 4 images you find on the internet from the sites of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service or the National Park Service. And you then properly cite each image within the web page. So here's an example that they've given us of the citations assignment. And I've clicked both of these. This is the first website, and this is the second one, okay, they've mentioned here. The next thing they tell us to do is to create the structure for your web page. So I'm going to go in Unit 5, make a folder called Images inside my folder 5, and I'm going to save the free images. I'm going to resize all images so they're no wider than 300 pixels. And I'm going to paste the information I need to cite these documents. Okay, this is a citation assignment. So let me go do that. Navigate to my desktop. Navigate to my web design folder. Navigate to my portfolio. Navigate to Unit 5. I'm going to make a folder in here called Images, small I. So here you download the assignment. Copy and paste the code from the graded assignment document into a new notepad document. I looked all over, I didn't find this, so I created my own. Okay, I'll push this out. Okay, I start off with HTML. I created a head, and I created a title, and I called it Citations. Open with the title, then close the title. You don't have to call it Citations, but definitely do this. Style type equals quotation marks around text / CSS. And then what I did was I made a background color for the background of the assignment, and I just put it here, and then I just made a title text, and I centered it. I made it green, and I made it extra large, Arial, and bold. I ended the style section, and I ended the head section. Then I started the body section and I put in the background color. I just added a style right inside. I just gave it my own color in here. Okay, that's the CSS style, but it's inline style. And then I put a table in here. Here is the background style, so that's referring back to this. And the width is 100%. So I put my first row, and I guess this is if style 2 here. What it should be is title text. And make it go over the 2 columns. We'll just call it Wildcats. I have here place for my pictures, 2 pictures, and I put 2 pictures on the next row. And then I put my citations in the last part here, and I can make citation text. Okay, I haven't put that in there. Actually, I can maybe. So I end that section. Or a new section. And tab in. Go text align left. And color. We'll just put red. And we'll do font size. Small. That's it. So now I can go down here, my last row, and we'll put in here class equals, copy and paste this, right click copy, come on down to this last one, paste it in there, and we'll call it not title span, title text, cite text. Make sure I did that right. Yeah, cite text, dot cite text. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. Okay, we're just going to file save as, go back to my portfolio, go back to unit 5, and I'm going to call this index.text. I'm also going to call this index.html. All right. So not having a document to work with, that's the best I can do, and I'll push this out to you in email. And so what you can do is you can name this whatever you want to name it. It's your choice. So over here, in my title, I call my title Wildcats because that's what I'm going to get pictures of. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get the pictures. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go to my national park. I can go to library, fish and wildlife. I'm going to look for wildcats. Go to the search. So I'm going to take down here. I don't want documents, just want pictures, right? Wildcats. Okay, so I click this open. I right click this. I click save image as. I'm going to go to desktop. Go to web design. I'm going to go to my portfolio. Unit 5. I'm going to images. I'm going to save this as Ocelot. Come back. Go back a page. This is going to get me the information I need. So what's the name of this? Date of original 2/23/2009. What's the name of this? Ocelot at National Wildlife Refuge. Come back here. We gotta paste it. It's regular text, right? The name of it. Where do I get it from? Right up here. So here's a citation of it, right? Do we see any author name here? Nope. We already looked at the description. we've pretty much gotten all the information we get off that little picture, okay? So that's our first picture. So we need 3 others. Maybe I'll come up here and see if we got a links. Back to home. Click search. I don't want all this, I just want images, right? We'll use this one. Doesn't have a date. It's called Canada Lynx Kitten. First I'll copy the information. Here we go. That's what it's called. No date. ND. Go grab this. Put it in there. Now we'll save this picture. Right click, save image as baby lynx. Oh, here's a bobcat. All right, let's do Mr. Bobcat. Bobcat. January 2005. Just open it up. Copy. Save image as Bobcat stocking. Okay, so it's just called Bobcat. I'll just paste it special. And I'll put in the link here. Still don't see any author names, do you? But alright. A lot of pictures aren't authored. One more picture. Let's go back. Coming on down. Bobcat and plants. There we go. February 23rd, 2009. Here we grab this. Click paste. All right. Well, let's save this thing. Save image as Bobcat planting. Bobcat in plants. Now go back into the class. The next we need to cite our image. And here's our citation example. It is no name, no nothing here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the first few words of the title image. Bring this up. Okay. We can call it Canadian Lynx Kitten. And what's the year? No date, right? So we put in here N period D period, N period D period for no date. And the name of it was, we'll just take off kitten here. And we'll call this Canadian Link Kitten. Period. Then it's a photograph. It's a capital P here, huh? Retrieve from. Let's get this. Here we go. So this is Ocelot. So we'll do 2009. Then the name of it, Ocelot. At Laguna National Refuge, right? What is it? It's a photograph. Retrieve from. There we go. There's that one. Bobcat's not short for anything. Bobcat. So it was 2005. Bobcat. Photograph. Retrieved from. Delete. Oops. There we go. So Bobcat and plants. So this is just what, 2009. So delete the rest for the end. Bobcat and plants. A copy of the photograph, retrieve from. Delete. Here we go. We got all our citations. You're all ready to go. So we got the full-size picture. But they don't want the full-size picture. What do they want? They have to go to the course instructions. No wider than 300 pixels. Well, they're wider than 300 pixels, each one of them. So let me show you. I'm going to go into Unit 5. Under Images. And this one is 512. This one is 512. This one is 512. All 512. So we can fix this. So right click. Open with. Go paint. I'm going to go resize. I'm going to go pixels. This down to 300. Okay. File, save. Next we'll go to Bobcat and plants. And we will open with paint. So I will go to resize. Pixels 300. It's going to go okay. Save him. I'm going to open up Bobcat stocking. And I'm going to go open with paint. Go resize. Pixels 300. Okay. And save him. And lastly, Mr. Ocelot. Okay, I'm going to open with paint. And we're going to resize pixels 300. Okay. And save. So we got them all saved, all sized down, all ready to go. Okay, now it's time to build our code here. So our index.html code is in here, and we're going to open up our index.txt. Okay, so let's go into our images folder and see where these are located. All right. So I'm going to come down and I'm going to put my baby links JPEG in my first one. So I'm going to go into my first row here. We got, okay, right in here. I have non-breaking space. It just means I have the space in there, of nothing in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write image. I'm going to put in an image tag here. So what I got inside my image tag here. Okay, I'm going to modify it. I'm going to put source, SRC. So where's my source? It's inside the images folder. So I'm going to put in here images. Oops, I put my quotation marks, don't I? Put in here images. My images folders. Oops, gotta spell it right, Hadley. Okay, it's called baby_links.jpg. Okay, so after this, after my quotation marks, I want to put in my alt tag. Alt equals baby links. There we go. Yeah, if I have an opening image tag that's right, I don't need an ending image tag. It's one of those that doesn't need a tag team pair, an image. Okay, so that's my first picture. So I'm going to go and I'm going to copy. And I'm going to delete this and put it in there. So this next one I'm going to call Bobcat Stocking. And the alt's going to be Bobcat Stocking. And now next I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to replace this with Bobcat Implants. And the alt's going to be, ooh, we need to end this quotation mark, don't we? Bobcat Implants. And this last one is Ocelot. Grab this whole thing, paste my code in there. Images is Ocelot. And the image is going to be Ocelot. Okay. So in this last one, we're doing cite text, so let's do our citations. Cite text is there. I'm going to pull this up. And you see the first one we do is baby links. We'll pull baby links up first. Copy, and we'll put this as 1. And then we'll just put in a break here. And tab. K2 is what? Second one was Bobcat stocking. So we'll do Bobcat stocking. We'll paste it in here. Put a break. Space on this one. Okay, we're come down. Third one is what? Third one we did was Bobcat implants. So we'll go pull up Bobcat implants. Right click copy. Put it in here. Put a space. A break here. We'll put our last one in here. 4. And this is our ocelot. So I'm going to go File, Save. Let's see what this looks like. File, Save As. And we'll go index.html. Save. So I'll go up to Unit 5. We'll double click index.html. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so our text color did not come up red, so we'll have to change this down below. Okay. The HTML color picker. Down here to red. Copy this. Go copy. Come down back to our code. Come back up here. Color equals. Put in here a hashtag. Enter numbers. See if that works any better. File, save. Here we go. Yeah, that did it. Yep. So once you're ready to turn it in, all you have to do is open up your folder. Right click on Unit 5, send to, press folder. And this is what you turn into me, not your index. Okay, you won't get full credit unless you zip your whole folder. All right, and once again, I'll email out to you this base code that I built because they don't reference any text in the unit. Okay, see you in class.